Welcome to the display showroom. In today's episode we're going to take a look at a brand new product called Lite. Now, as you can see behind me, Lite is an aluminium based extrusion system designed to build small portable exhibition stands. Now, the Lite profile itself is a 40mm aluminium profile. Now, it's a standard product off the shelf, available in a range of standard sizes in curved and straight formats. The varying widths come from 200mm, 450, 950, 1450mm, up to a maximum 2.5 metres high. Now, 2.5 is the maximum height we recommend you build the system to. Now, each individual frame is supplied in component form. So on a smaller frame you have 4 aluminium profiles, on a larger frame you have 6 profiles. Now, these are joined with a simple corner cleat and a small Allen key, and on the larger frames there will be a straight joiner in the centre. Now, the great thing with Lite is on one single frame you have the possibility of using 3 different graphic substrates. So here we have a textile version, we have a 2mm Foamex or solid substrate, and we have a rollable pop-up PVC. Obviously you can choose from a customer's point of view, just depends where you add your fixings and what you prefer to actually use. Now, when you've built your simple frame, these are joined together with a joining hook. Now, on the smaller frames, on one side you have 2 hooks, on the larger frames you have 4 hooks. Now, on the opposite side of the frame there is a preset cutout which is designed for the next frame and hook to join into, drops down and locks into place. Now, when you want to produce multiple levels, like in this example here, you need to add a joining brace. Now, these are not supplied, you have to order these separately. Okay. Now, on the larger frames, because of the actual sheer size, we have to add a support brace into the centre of the frame, which comes supplied with the larger kits. So, if you want to create a corner on a Lite system, you have a choice of 2 posts. Now, they come in various heights, 1 metre or 1.5 metres, and they simply push together with a simple plastic push connector. Now, on the actual posts themselves, on each side there are 2 preset cutouts which obviously line up with the joining hooks. So take your frame, poke it onto there, the frame will then drop down, and then we take on each frame the frame lock, which will tighten up just to secure it against the post, and that firmly locks it in place. So Lite, it's available, it's on the shelf, ready to go, so there's no lead times involved, so you can come along, decide what space you want, order component A, B, C, and then you can design and build your stand. It's totally reconfigurable, so you can obviously change and use it for multiple uses in the future. And again, you have the possibility of using 3 different substrates. So if you are new to the modular market and you're used to selling, say, pop-ups and banner stands, this is the perfect product to take the next step into the modular market. Lite, much like the rest of our Vector range, also has the external channel. So that allows us to add any of the accessories. So any of our standard feet, which we can use on our Vector, literature pockets, iPad holders, screen mounts, everything is accessible on the Lite range.